Bam. Welcome guys to another video, and today we're going to keep the talking a little short. I know you guys, a lot of people just come to watch the video to see how stuff is installed and how the progress of the work, not me talking to you guys for like 2-3 minutes, you know. I mean, so we're just going to get to the point today. We got our sandwich plate. Okay, that I just butchered that, but yeah, nonetheless, we're gonna install this for our top oil feed return. So I have the line, but I think I got a shorter one, so I need to get a longer one I can route from like down here, kind of bend it here so it's hidden, because I got a shorter one, but it goes like up and down. That's kind of ugly if you ask me, but nonetheless, we're gonna connect this. We're gonna use the stock housing, oil filter housing, and then we'll just, the adapter goes on like so. I just got to figure out which way, where I'm gonna install the line into, and I think it's gonna be one of this too, I think, because we can return our for our oil gauge, we can tap into here as well. It's already tapped. I mean, we can bolt into one of this and use that. So nonetheless, and then we're gonna close this oil sensor. We have I got one from Drift Motion, and yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up, and we're gonna get this installed. And I have the top valve cover off because I'm putting the cap that goes on here. I had to get the little rubber gasket or O-ring seal, so I got a brand new one. I put the part number down for anybody that's doing one. So yeah, I'm already at like over a minute, going to 2 minutes of talking to you guys. Sorry about that. And of course, tomorrow's video, I'm gonna install this aftermarket intake, and hopefully you guys are looking forward to that. I have to drill like 1, 2, 3 for either our boost hose and some other stuff, but nonetheless, this should be fun. I do have the gasket here as well for the throttle body, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you guys look forward to this video. That's gonna be fun. And now I'm gonna stop talking and let's install this. And if you guys like the video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends. It helps out a lot. I notice a lot of you guys watch this but haven't subscribed, so please, if you can subscribe, help the page grow. That'll go a long way. Thank you very much. And yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up. Let's do this.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Get my fill you like a pill to get my fill. No, no, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Get my fill. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so just like that, that's how easy it is to install, even with the little block off plate from Drift Motion. I'm pretty sure for your return line, you can tap into this. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Just get the right fitting, and I'm positive you should be able to. I know some people were talking about like the bolt here. You can tap into that as well. I'm not too sure, but you guys can leave a comment if that's right or if I'm wrong on that one. But nonetheless, this is all bolted down. You can see a little bit of the gasket coming out, a little sealant right there. So I know I'm not worried about, focus, there we go, this leaking, and all of this can be adjusted. I haven't tightened this all the way because I'm gonna have to add some oil to get it sealed, so it seals on there real good, so it's still kind of loose. You can tap, I'm gonna tap into here, back here, this one or this one for my oil gauge, and yeah, this will be for our turbo right here. So yeah, and the build is almost finished. I do the flywheels right here, power steering pump, alternator, and our W58 transmission is here. Just need the 2JZ bell housing and a clutch kit. And then from there, basically we can install this motor. I need to get this little, if my camera focuses, a little gasket that goes around here. It's leaking, so I'm gonna replace that. Drift Motion sells them, pretty sure they sell them on eBay too. The little bushings that go in here for the shifter. So yeah, and then I can have this motor. Oh yeah, so on our next video also, I'm gonna paint the valve cover. This one was cracked, as you guys can see. Right there, it's pretty bad. So, and then we have the replacement one, which is this one. I ordered this, so then we can install everything, paint. I might just, so this will be red or black, I'm not too sure yet, but you guys will find out. And then we can work on that intake and get everything in the car, and we can move on to having the car towed to the shop to do our wire harness, and we're gonna go with standalone. So yeah, hopefully everything runs good with this motor. I try to buy some good parts for it. I got rid of all the 2JZ parts, like the head gasket, the oil pump, all that stuff, LPS stuff, just to make sure it has some kind of chance, rear main, seal replace, front, all of that, just to be safe. The turbo, gonna have to figure this out here, because everybody's saying the hood, it won't close because of how high it sits, which doesn't matter. We'll just cut the hood, and I'm just joking. But nonetheless, we'll figure this out. The good thing about the dual V-band is it rotates, so you guys know most of the downpipes, when they make it, it has a curve that goes that way. But with this, you can just have a straight downpipe because of the rotation it has. So that's the positive part about the V band. If you guys were thinking about that, the manifold, my mistake was not getting for a V band. Okay, I got it for the T4. So that's, if you guys are ever gonna go dual V band, make sure your exhaust manifold is gonna adapt with that without having to get an adapter like I had to do. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little short video. If I miss anything or if I'm wrong on something, go ahead and leave a comment. Just correct me. But I hope this is helping somebody out who's planning to do a 2JZ build as well on their Supra or their 240 or their any car they want to swap the 2J in. So, but yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a like. If you like the video, leave a like. Leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, and I tend to forget to say things because of the whole camera thing. So I kind of want to keep it raw and not do a lot of editing and not do a lot of retake. Oh yeah, and this isn't bolted down yet because I need to get the little gasket and make a thingy for this. I do have the gasket itself, but I wanted this extra protection so it doesn't leak. And then yeah, so we're almost done with this build, guys. That's the good thing. We're almost done with this 2JZ build. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, enjoying the journey so far. And we're all gonna find out if this motor is good or if this motor is crap. Keep in mind, this was $236. Guaranteed 90-day warranty. It's running. It's been tested. Blah 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 blah. It's eBay. eBay, you hit or miss. Keep that in mind. So I don't know. We'll find out if we hit or we'll miss. Because if anything, if let's say worst comes to worst, it has a run lock. No biggie. We can go 2JZ GTE pistons and get it the block rebuild and go from there, right? So that's the only positive part. Downer is time. The time wasted really. So we're gonna have to like pull everything back out, get sent up to the shop, and yeah, that whole process. But the positive part about this is the motor was only $230 something shipped to me for free, delivered. I didn't have to go run a truck or anything. It's just they just dropped it off to me. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I've been talking for like a long time now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Peace. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and be safe. Wear your mask and have fun boosting.